Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be joined by the Buster 10 and basically we're playing Gta5. And what we're going to do today, Buster? Oh yes, yeah, the target, innit? Yeah, you have to go around killing people. So yeah, we're going to be doing like all that crap today. And if you want to add him, his game tags in the description below, but you have to add them on PS3. But have you only got PS3? The Buster. The Buster. Hello? Oi, the Buster. The Buster. The Buster. Um, do you only have PS3? Okay, so when I post this video, yeah, they're gonna all add you. Well, let's hope. And whoever adds us, they can be in our videos, and we can do anything. So what Buster wants to do today is he wants to like kill these people, and if you want to like do anything, we're just gonna like put it in comments below. And thingy, what am I gonna say? If this video ends shortly, don't blame me. I'll try and fix it out, like I say in the other videos. But then, other than that, let's just get into the video, innit? Then, Buster. So we're gonna go in a helicopter now, apparently. Yeah. Are we getting in a helicopter? Okay, yeah, I'm going in. So we're gonna do that. Oh, cool. Should I drive it? The Buster. I'm good at landing. Are you sure you're good? Jesus Christ. Are you sure you're good? Should I do that? Should I do it for you? Where are we going? Wait, no, press the right bumper. Do you know the do you know the button to make you crouch? The button to make you crouch. Do you know that button? To make you crouch. Press that. It'll put the wheels in, so you can go higher. No, not crouch. That little that round button. No, crouch. Oh my days. Oh my days. Wait, do you want to do a gang attack? Okay. What car? What vehicle do you want to get in? Okay. Yeah. Wait, the Buster. Do you have Minecraft? Oh crap! I died. I got run over. I got run over by the train. Okay. So, where are you? Come pick me up. Are you in it? Are you in it? Lol. Don't wet me. 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 Ha. You didn't wet me. I am in. Whoa. Whoa. I'm in first person. Press O. Press O. Did you press O? It's going to put you in first person. So you can see the whole car. Inside, you can see the whole car. Are you in? I'm in it. No. Are you going to get out the... Oh, can you? Can I stand in the back? Okay, quickly. Wait, hang on. I'm not in the back yet. Yeah, oh! Go, 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 quickly. Don't matter. I'll get on the back soon when you come pick me up. Yeah, I spawned now. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, have I got any bombs? Oh, gosh. Quickly, quickly, come. It has been a long time since we played with each other, to be honest. Turn into the hospital. Turn into the hospital. You can pick me up easier then. I feel more safer in the back, to be honest. No, I feel safer in like the back seats. But shall I call Lester? Okay. But don't wet them. Don't wet them, yeah? Just don't wet the police. Don't wet the police.
Hey there.
Because then it'll make the police come back on us.
No problem. I'll get him off your back.
Okay, now let me get in the back. Okay. Hang on, wait. Okay, I'm on the back. I can't even see myself. This is awesome. Wait, get on the train, get on the train, get on the train. No! Are you gonna chase down the train? Oh, you're gonna... I can chase down the train. Oh, you're never gonna... You're gonna have no luck. You'll have no luck today. You're never gonna catch up to that train, I'm telling you. You need to get a better car. This car's just meh. How can I explain it? Bad. No. You're never catching up to that. I'm telling you. But even if you do catch up to it, then just go right at the front of it. Like, just you're still not getting it. It's gonna go. I'm telling you. Okay, just keep on going. Keep on going. Just when you get to the front, just keep on going still. Yeah, keep on going. No, why are you stopping? Why you? Oh, you little. No, I'm dead. Wait, get on. I'm on. See ya. Are you on? Oh, you have to try and catch up to it then. Shall I stop the driver? Shall I stop the driver? Okay, I'll try and stop him. Bruh, he's fast. I can't even catch up to the train when I'm even on the train. That's how fast this train is, man. Well, I'm gonna get knocked off in a minute. I'm gonna get knocked off. Wait. Catch up to the train. You're almost there. Bruh. Quickly, go past. Go really far away from it. Then when you're ready, just jump on one of the crates. No, you're never gonna catch up to this train. Bye, Buster. Bye, Buster. Quickly, get on one of the crates. Yes, get in there. Have you dropped off? Don't you even think about it. Okay, let's shoot the people down there actually. Jesus Christ. Let's go and kill the driver. I'm going to kill the driver. Bruh. Is the driver on this side? No, I fold off. No, back on. Bruh. I jumped off again. Are you serious? No, bye. Wait, is it the last crate? I'm on. This is like proper. I just looked at the camera and that almost fell. Wait, let's take a selfie and send it to Instagram on Gta5. Come, dude, come. I'm gonna take a selfie with each other. Ow! Actually, don't kill me. Wait, let's take a selfie. Come, follow me. Come up here. We're gonna take a selfie with each other. Take a selfie, come on. It's not letting me take a selfie for some reason. You try and take a selfie. Okay, never mind. Let's go and kill this driver anyway. I need to stop at the gun store. Are you trying to kill me? I need to stop at the gun store. Is there a gun store here? Oh, see you soon. Wait, stay on the train. Get on the train. Are you on the train? Stay on the train, yeah? Stay on the train. No, stay on the train. I'm going to get some sticky bombs. Are you serious? Get back on it quickly. Oh, okay, good. I'm going to get some sticky bombs. But I'll be back. Okay. Why?